Shocking new statistics reveal no matter your neighborhood, your income, ethnicity, or race, drug addiction and even death from an overdose can happen to anyone. Deaths caused by drug and alcohol addiction have skyrocketed in Orange County, up 82% since the millennium, and continue to climb.
As KTLA's Mary Beth McDade reports, the epidemic is costing the residents and the county more than $100 million a year, and untold heartbreak.
These are the faces of kids that held so much promise, bright, athletic, with good families behind them. But instead of getting the chance to chase their dreams, their lives were snuffed out far too young because of a growing epidemic that has overtaken Orange County: opiate addiction.
Bottom line, that he'll be another statistic, and I've prepared myself mentally for that.
It's breaking parents' hearts.
And that we'll get the phone call that he has died.
And ripping families apart.
My mother would be up late at night wondering and worrying where I was. My father was doing just the same. We can't hear you.
Joni Barber's son Jared was a popular kid who grew up body surfing and playing baseball. But he became an addict when he was just 16 after a doctor prescribed him Vicodin when he broke his collarbone dirt biking.
My husband and I woke up at 3 in the morning and found our son sitting up, barely breathing on our couch. And my husband had to do mouth-to-mouth resuscitation and CPR while I called 911. And Jared passed away at 3:47 at the hospital where he was born.
He was 19.
In 2015, we had 30 opiate overdoses at Mission Hospital. 2016, they went up to 160 opiate overdoses.
And when people added other drugs to the mix?
So for opiates plus other drugs, we had 688 overdoses in 2016 that we took care of in the emergency department.
And that's just one hospital in the OC. So who are these drug addicts?
It's actually more the affluent white population that's actually getting trapped.
Medical experts say quite often it's the cheerleader or student athlete that gets hooked after injuring themselves and being prescribed opiates for pain.
You build up tolerance, you have to take more and more, and then it gets too expensive, and it's much cheaper to do the heroin.
That was the case with Kimberly Richardson's son, who still refuses to get treatment.
Heroin, and we know he's done meth. Initially, he was addicted to pain medication from playing professional hockey with injuries.
Parents and medical professionals say better structured and affordable treatment centers are needed.
They're getting mediocre or poor help for a life-threatening illness, and it's not working. It's just a revolving door.
Studies show more women than men die from prescription drug overdoses. Families and survivors are asking the government to get involved to save lives and stop the deadly trend.